one day you start your van and cold air coming from the air vents. You're trying to reset, restart, disconnect the battery, and nothing changes. If you have the Mercedes computer, which I have, you have all these fault codes related to the air motor and the flap distribution. This is the guy that causes all these troubles. Here's the part number. And now we're going to replace this guy. In order to get it replaced, we need to take out this thing, and we will have an access. I'm using the longer Torx 15. You will see bolts like this. Might be a little bit tricky to take this panel off, but it's pretty straightforward. It's about 10 Torx, and you pop this panel out, and all the way there you see our flap motor that we'll try to take off right now. So to make it a little bit easier, I also removed the air distribution hose, and I used the longer screwdriver to pop up the socket of the actuator motor. And here's the motor here sitting here. That's our motor from the vehicle, and that's the used one that I have in stock. Definitely can see that the position of the shafts is different, right? So that's why I couldn't just process the adaptation error and the second test called normalization of the shaft. I'm gonna put the used motor back in and try to pass all the tests and see if the hot air finally will start coming from our heater. After a bit of a struggle, the new motor is in. I used a little trick. Hold the new motor in place with a screwdriver like this, and with the other hand tighten the bolts. I used another extension to be able to, reach those Torx and screw them in. Also, I released a couple bolts here to expand that side, so I can put my hand all the way there and attach the socket on the motor. Kind of tricky job, but it's took me maybe 15 minutes to put it in. Anyways, we have no fault codes, and we have a hot air finally coming from our heater. I'm not sure if you will be able to make it work without the computer, but definitely take a try to just replace the motor and restart the van or reset the battery and see if the things will come back to normal. And I'll just put all the things together. This is the trick how to fix the cold air from coming from your heater and make it work. Subscribe and stay in touch.